Hey, since we're talking about some tips, here's another tip for you to consider, especially if you're thinking about replacing your toilet. Here we've got a half bath. There was a pedestal sink right here and a toilet with the short bowl. Well, we could have, and I put that on Facebook Marketplace. I still got it for sale, but it's in excellent shape. That's a toilet that was in there, and I'm sure I'll get it sold. And we could put in a like for like, or we could put in an elongated toilet in there. But then Mommy had a good idea. She says, hey, why don't we just put in a handicap style toilet there, which has the elongated bowl, and we're going to put a self-closing, slow closing lid on there, and put in the handicap one. Hey, we're not getting any younger. We can still get down on a low toilet, mind you. But hey, as the years tick by, wouldn't it be nice if you had a taller toilet? Be serious now. Think about it. And so we're just going to go ahead and get the handicapped style toilet, which is taller, so you don't have to squat down as far to get down on the toilet, to get up off the toilet and all that kind of stuff. So that might be something you might want to consider when you're replacing your toilet. So here's what I'm going to do for that lady who's coming to pick up the dishwasher and the stove today. But she's made the agreement. She's going to purchase those, and she's going to purchase the refrigerator, but we need the refrigerator for a couple months. So I wrote that in on my title description so that people knew. And she was fine with that. And so I'm asking her, when she brings out the money, I'm asking her for a little bit more than what the dishwasher and the stove was listed at, as for a good faith effort, a deposit for her to give me, so that she knows that I'm not going to sell the refrigerator from under her, and so that I know that she's not going to change her mind from picking up the refrigerator later. Okay, so that's how you would do something like that. Okay,